So, welcome back, dear friends, in our topic that is our chemical reactions and equations. Okay, so in previous lecture, we saw different types of chemical reactions. So, in that, we saw your combination reactions. Okay, then decomposition reaction. In that decomposition reaction, we saw divided into these three types again. Okay, that the three types is what your first one is thermal decomposition, then photolytic decomposition, and electrolytic decomposition. So we saw in electrolytic decomposition the that volume of hydrogen is double than that of volume of your oxygen. Okay, so in that whatever we took plastic mug, so in that we added dilute H2SO4 also. So why we added that H2SO4? Because for better conductivity. Okay, so after that electrolytic decomposition, we saw our displacement reaction in that single displacement. Okay, then double displacement reaction, that is what your exchange of ions. Okay, especially in that we discuss two types of your that reaction, double displacement reaction. Okay, in that your precipitation reaction and neutralization reaction, and we discuss exothermic and endothermic also. Okay, now we will see here whatever our next point. So that next point, see here our redox reaction, or we can say what, oxidation and reduction. Oxidation and reduction. So here in oxidation and reduction, okay, so in oxidation and reduction here, so see here what is the old concept. So what they are defining old concept with oxidation. So see, oxidation means what? According to old concept, addition of oxygen or electronegative element into a substance, or removal of hydrogen or electropositive element from a substance is called as what? Oxidation. So it is your definition of oxidation. So what will be the definition of your reduction? So obviously it is what, reverse of that. In that, suppose we are writing definition of reduction. So see here, what is your reduction? So that reduction, say reverse of that, what we can write here? Addition of, yes, addition of what? Hydrogen or what here? Electropositive element, okay, into substance, or removal of, here what? Removal of your oxygen, okay, removal of oxygen or electronegative element from a substance is called as what? Reduction. So now we will see here some examples, okay, of your oxidation and whatever your reduction according to old concept. So see here some examples we will discuss here. So your first one here example, so see, Cu plus O2, that gives what? CuO. So for balancing the reaction, take you out to 2. Okay, so see here how it here reduction and oxidation will take place. So see, from this copper, okay, so see, from this copper to this CuO, what will happen? Oxidation, because here what? Addition of oxygen. Here what? Oxidation. Okay, now we will see one more here example. Say here CuO plus H2. Okay, CuO plus H2, that gives Cu plus H2O. Okay, so this example, CuO plus H2, that gives what? Cu plus H2O. So we will see here whatever, whether your reaction is balanced or not. See this Cu, this Cu, H2, and here also H2O. Now we will see here we will you can observe here simply whether here reduction and oxidation in which okay element. So see here we can observe here easily from CuO to Cu. Yes, what will happen here? From CuO to Cu, here loss of here oxidation, not here addition of oxygen. So here see what we hear, reduction. Okay, so here yes, here addition of oxygen. So here what? Addition of oxygen means what? Oxidation. And here simply what? Removal of oxygen. From CuO to Cu, removal of oxygen. So what here? Reduction. And here H2 to H2O, addition of oxygen. So it is what? Your oxidation. So we can call simply this reaction as a what? Redox reaction. Reduction and oxidation both in this reaction. But in above reaction, here what? Only oxidation. Okay. Now one more also we can define here, addition of electronegative element also. Yes, addition of electronegative. So this electronegative. Okay. So electronegative means what? Your oxygen is electronegative. So this addition of electronegative element is what? Your oxidation. So here also what? Removal of electronegative. So what we call that? Reduction. So you have to refer whatever your this definition. So it is very much important, this definition. So see here we will see our next after that old concept we will see here modern concept. Okay, so modern concept. So see here according to modern concept, so we will discuss first what is that modern concept of oxidation and reduction. Modern concept. So this modern concept we also called as electronic concept. Electronic concept. Modern concept is also called as what? Electronic concept. Okay. So see here what is oxidation and reduction according to this modern concept. So see here oxidation. So say oxidation means what? Here loss of electron. Loss of electron we call it as a what? Oxidation. Or we can say according to our modern concept, increase in oxidation number. So what is this oxidation number? See here it is that roughly equal to how much that atom gain or loss electrons. It is what? Oxidation number. Okay, suppose your sodium metal. So that sodium metal they are lost one electron. Okay, so valency also of your that sodium is what? 1, and charge also what? +1. Understood? So here oxidation according to modern concept of oxidation means what? Loss of electron or increase in oxidation number. Okay, now we will see here one more we will here example. So see here sodium that gives Na plus 1 electron minus. Okay, so see here how we can balance this. So see this your sodium. So this sodium, so this reaction we have to balance according to our atoms as well as charge. So say we have to cross check with this. Say first you have to balance with atom and charge. So see both condition this must be fulfilled. Okay, so see here we will cross check first atom. So this 1 Na, here also 1 Na. Okay, so our atom is balanced. Now it's time to balance charge. So see here +1 and here 1 minus. So +1 1 minus 0 and here also 0 charge. So our charge also balanced. So whatever we wrote that reaction is what? You are correct. Okay, now we will discuss one more here. Say Example, Fe2 plus that gives Fe3 plus 1 electron minus. Okay, so that metal allows loss of electrons. Okay, see here, loss of electron. Okay, so Fe2 plus that gives out Fe3 plus 1 electron minus. So here we have to check whether this atom and charge is balanced or not. So see here one iron, here also one iron, so our atom is balanced. Now it's time to balance our charge. So this charge here, Fe2 plus here charge, total charge on LHS how much? 2 plus, and here how much here? 3 plus minus 1, so 2 plus charge. So here also 2 plus and here also 2 plus. So our reaction is correct. Understood this? Oxidation very much easy, but you have to more concentrate on this part. Now we will see modern concept regarding your reduction. Okay. Now see here reduction. So this reduction, say modern concept in that reduction. So obviously definition of your reduction, what will come? Yes, here gaining of electron or acceptor of electron, accepting electron, or we can say decrease in oxidation number, decrease in oxidation number. Okay, now we will discuss here a few examples in that whatever your reduction and oxidation. So see here we will see example. So in that example, say Cl minus plus 1 electron minus, that gives what here? Cl. Okay, sorry here, Cl plus 1 electron minus, that gives what? Cl minus. So see here how they are accepting 1 electron to becomes chloride ion. So it is what your chloride ion. Now see here how this reaction will occur. So this chlorine, so as you know chlorine electronic configuration 2, 8, 7, so their atomic number 17. So in that chlorine they are accepting 1 electron. Okay, why they are accepting? To become stable. Okay, to acquire stability. Now see here, this chlorine atom when accept this 1 electron, it becomes what? Chloride ion. So again we have to cross check with this atom as well as charge. So we will now cross check. See here, now 1 Cl, here also 1 Cl. Understood? Okay, so atom is our balance. Now it's time to balance our charge. So see here total 1 minus charge and here also 1 minus charge. Understood? So our charge also balance, means our reaction is correct. Now we will see here one more example. Okay, that one more example, say like that. See, O minus plus 1 electron minus, that gives what? 2 O2 minus. Okay, O2 minus. So see here how it is your reaction. Yes, our atom is balanced, 1 oxygen, 1 oxygen. Now see the charge 1 minus, so and here also 1 minus, so total 2 minus charge and here also 2 minus charge. Means whatever your 1 O minus, they are accepting 1 electron to acquire what? Stability. And this what we call this? O2 minus. We call this O2 minus here as a what? Oxide ion. Understood? Oxide ion. So see, it is your simply modern concept, or we can say electronic concept in your oxidation and reduction. Okay, now we will see here what is a oxidizing agent and reducing agent. Our next point, say oxidizing oxidizing agent, and what? Reducing agent. So now we will see here first definition. What is the oxidizing agent and what is the reducing agent? So see here the substance. We will see first oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent. Okay, so this oxidizing agent here, the substance which adds oxygen, the substance which adds oxygen and removes hydrogen, and removes what? Hydrogen, or removes electron from the other substances, we call it as a what? Oxidizing agent. Okay, but this oxidizing agent, they get reduced in a chemical reaction. Okay, so one of the important here, whatever your oxidizing agent, they get reduced in a chemical reaction. Okay, now we will see here reducing agent. Okay, so see here reducing agent. So see what will be the reducing agent? The substance which, yes, reverse of that, the substance which adds hydrogen and removes what? Oxygen. So we call it as a what? A reducing agent. Okay, and one of the important, as like oxidizing agent, they get, yes, what will form here in reducing agent? Important here, they get oxidized in a chemical reaction. So it is here basic terminologies of your old concept, oxidation reduction, then modern concept. Now this oxidizing and reducing agents. Okay, so one of the most here important is what? They get reduced in a chemical reaction, and here they get oxidized in a chemical reaction, because these terminologies are same as like a previous. Oxidation means what? Addition of oxygen, then reduction means what? Addition of hydrogen. Okay, these are same as like a previous in our old concept also we saw, but these are important. They get reduced in a chemical reaction, what we call that? Oxidizing agent, and they get oxidized in a chemical reaction, what we call that? Reducing agent. Okay, so see our next here we will see some examples. Okay, we will see some examples. In that we will justify whether your oxidizing agent or whether that compound or that substance is oxidizing agent or reducing agent. Okay, so see here we are writing here one example, H2S plus O2, that gives sulfur plus H2O. So for balancing, take here 2. So see our reaction is balanced or not. Say 4 hydrogen, yes, here also 4 hydrogen, 2 sulfur, O2, yes, here also O2. Now we'll see here whatever your this reaction, in that what is your, okay, whichever your reducing agent and whichever your oxidizing agent. Okay, we will see here oxidizing agent which and reducing agent which. So see our previous concept. Okay, so this H2S. Okay, so this H2S to S. What will happen? So see here, your sulfur is yes electronegative element. Okay, that sulfur is what your electronegative element. Now see here how your oxidation will occur. Now see, according to our modern concept also, that is what your loss of electron, then increase in oxidation number is what your oxidation, and decrease in oxidation number is what reduction. So see here, concentrate, most important here whatever now I am saying you. So this H2S, so as you know, in that H2S your sulfur is what, -2. Okay, because how your H2S will break, H2S will break 2H plus S2 minus. Understood? So in this H2S, what is the oxidation number of this sulfur? -2. Okay, and any element in their elementary state. So once again listen properly. Any element in their elementary state or that molecule is always, their charge is how much? 0. So here single element, so charge is 0. Understood? So here say now -2 to 0. So -2 to 0, charge will what? Increase. So increase means what? Which process it is? Yes, increase in oxidation number, -2 to 0 is what? Your oxidation. Okay, so these are H2S to sulfur oxidation. So what we call this H2S? So this H2S we call it as a what? Reducing agent. Reducing agent. Now see here, from O2 to this H2O, so we will also cross check with your that charge. Now see this O2, so whatever your elementary, your molecule or any element, it is in 0 state. So O2, Cl2, okay, Br2, you're simply mercury. Okay, what is the oxidation number of that? Your elementary state element 0. Now suppose this O2 is 0. Now among this here, what will happen? In your water, what is the charge on this oxygen atom? So see always, so like that, how much charge here? Oxygen always -2. So beta here 0 to -2. So charge will what? Decrease. So decrease in oxidation number, what we call it as a reduction. And whatever this O2, so reduction will going on. So O2 is what? So your O2 is act as a, obviously what? Oxidizing agent. Understood? So whatever you have to keep in mind here, increase in oxidation number, oxidation, decrease in oxidation number or reduction. So whether oxidation, that what? Reducing agent, and whether a reduction is going on, that is what your oxidizing agent. Okay, so here most important part we discuss in your from first onward redox reaction, in that modern concept, old concept. Okay, in that loss of electron, gaining of electron. So all these terminologies are important. You have to keep in mind. Whatever our next examples that we will discuss in next lecture. Okay, so thank you.